Yeah, this is Soul Seed at Telos Studios, February 16th. Holding it down, recording today, putting down some final vocals. We're down to the last touches before we get into mastering. The quality of every tool that we're using is really high, and so the sound quality is awesome. Our past albums have been done at home, which has been great for us, and we love it, but it's nice to step into new space and get some new sounds coming, and the album is going to have a wide array of styles and vibes and fun flavors for people to enjoy.
Yeah, we have a lot of Latin in this album, which is pretty dope. Like 3 songs that are predominantly kind of like Latin rhythm songs, which is something that we've kind of messed with a little bit in the past, but not really, and now we're kind of starting to have a lot more fun with it, which is cool, because it's a whole different genre of music.
It's like these ideas are constantly happening. It's just like, how do we make it happen? And so, you know, we always kind of have this like little mantra, like instead of asking like why not or why can't we do something, it's like how can we and why not do it? You know what I mean?
It helps that we're all such big homies with each other, because it makes the jamming process really great.